In other news, the Jamaica Labour Party is at this hour staging a meeting in Anato Bay, St. Mary, where Prime Minister Andrew Holness is expected to announce the date for 3 by-elections. TVJ Andrea Chisholm is at the meeting in St. Mary and now joins us live. Andrea?
Thank you very much, Nadine. Well, I am here in the town centre of Anato Bay, St. Mary, right behind the police station, where a JLP meeting is in full swing. Earlier, we heard from some persons who are considered to be the top brass of the party, including Audley Shaw, Dalbaz, and as we speak, Desmond McKenzie is on stage. The atmosphere is indicative, Nadine, of a typical party rally. Persons clad in green, the vuvuzelas are in full swing as well. And for the most part, the JLP supporters seem to be in a very jubilant mood. It is here that Prime Minister Andrew Holness is expected to announce the date for the by-elections in 3 constituencies. As we know that there are 3 by-elections looming, one in South St. Andrew, where the PNP's Mark Golding should go up against the JLP's Dennis Matthias, and in Southwest St. Andrew, where the PNP's Angela Brown-Burke should be going up against the JLP's Victor Hyde. Those 2 constituencies are considered PNP strongholds, so nobody expects the outcome of those by-elections to change. But it is here in Southeast St. Mary that the actual contest begins, because we know that the newcomer, Dr. Shane Alexis, will be going up against the JLP's Dr. Norman Dunn. As we will recall that Dr. Dunn contested the election last year against the PNP's Winston Green, and he lost by 5 votes. A court challenge was looming, but following the death of Dr. Winston Green, the seat became vacant, and now JLP supporters and PNP supporters and other persons as well here in Southeast St. Mary will get a chance to go ahead again and select the Member of Parliament for their choice. Nadine, as you know, though the PNP is in opposition, they say they are doing everything possible to retain the seat. Currently, the JLP has a 1-seat majority in the House of Representatives. So if the PNP wins, there will be no change to that. But if the JLP's Dr. Norman Dunn should win, the PNP's Dr. Shane Alexis, the JLP will be capturing 33 seats and the PNP 30. So that is why this by-election here in Southeast St. Mary is actually so important. Well, we are here waiting to see when the party leader, the leader of the JLP, will come to address persons. I am not seeing him yet. I have not heard Desmond McKenzie announce his arrival yet. So we're here waiting, and as soon as that date is announced, we'll try to keep you updated, Nadine, as to what is happening here in Anato Bay in St. Mary. Nadine, it's back to you.
Thank you very much, Andrea. Andrea Chisholm there live in St. Mary.